Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and it's actually been a while. I was active, giving you guys signals and all of that, but we are actually back to work. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do what to subscribe. If you've not watched any of my videos yet, just go back and watch them. You are going to love every bit of it. So this is a new month, and yeah, I decided that I'm done with whatever I was doing, and it's time to focus on the game. So here I am with you guys again to show you how we do this. Okay. So some days ago we gave a signal. I've been following. If you this is the step index. So I've been following the crash and the step closely because these were the last signals I gave. And right now I'm on. Let's go to crash 300. Let's see what's happening. Okay. So you've seen that in the past week it has been a bullish market, which is looking at rebouncing, but we are not really sure yet at this level. So yeah, this is a new week and this is a new day, and we expect this week to give us a bullish market, a bullish one, because if you look at this, there has been a retest at this level. So we expect it to break this level, retest, and keep coming up maybe till it gets to this level. That's on the crash 300. So if you were buying, you look closely, but also note that this is a weekly time frame. So now let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, now you've seen that it's obvious now that we have an uptrend here. This trend line was drawn, I think, a week or two ago, and it has been respected. That's the daily time frame, and there's been a rejection here if you look closely as well. So as I always say, if you want to enjoy this, if you want to do this the right way, you have to always look out for different time frames. So you've seen that I started, although I don't start with the weekly. No, you can skip the weekly. I was just looking at something. You can skip the weekly, but it's important that you start with the daily or what we call the 24th hour time frame. So by the time you start with that, in case you can't see what you're looking for, you can now skip to the H4, which is the 4-hour time frame. So now you've seen that it was on the 4-hour we were able to detect this area here because of this here and here. So let's check if there was another touch on that line. Okay, it was a resistance at this level, but over here it was a support which gave a fake breakout before coming back up. So I've seen that this line too was drawn because this is a resistance as well. And what are we seeing here? What we're seeing here is a resistance at this level, and market looks to be dropping. So we're going to wait for the 9 o'clock, because by 9 o'clock a new H4 will be opening. And you should know also that I love trading with the H4 instead of using other time frame. Like I really look out for the 4-hour candlestick. So now we are seeing too that there is a trend here. Now that's why you always have to play with all your time frames. Look at this. There is a trend here. This is the H1, and we're also seeing something forming at this level, a repetitive pattern. So it has repeated itself, coming down and going up. So now at this level you have to be sure, okay, that it's going to fall or it's going to break. So we are still going to wait, as I said, for the 9 o'clock candle to open, and we'll know what is going to show to us. So now, why do I go to the 30 minutes and 15 minutes? It's on this time frame that I look for entries. Is on this time frame I look for entries. So you use the lower time frame to look for entries, while you use the higher time frame to secure that spot where you want to catch your setup. So now setup is like laying a trap in the market, so that once the trap catches the trade, you now go into it. Like now, for instance, let's say right now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a setup that is going to get to this place. Like the trap I'm setting now is for it to get to this place. Then I'll observe the candlestick and I'll know if I'm selling or buying. But right now we are looking for buying entries, because what do we see on the daily? It's a bullish candle, and we are going to be there for that. I know a lot of you too will be waiting for what do you call it, crash and boom indicators. No, I'm not using indicators here. This is pure price action. But if you watch other videos, you're going to see what do they call it, the indicator settings that you can also use to make money on the crash. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. You want to join the free Telegram channel, it's open, and you can do that here. Just look at the link. Here is this is the VIP, and here is the free Telegram channel. It's free to join, and if you want to be getting signals, we give signals every day. So even on the free Telegram channel, we're able to smash TP, yes, and I shared this signal with them, okay, by the C300, and that's how we made it. So guys, if you want to enjoy this, make sure you click on the description of this video. You find the link to the Telegram channel and also a link to my WhatsApp in case you want to learn. So guys, this is a 30-minute time frame, and we are actually looking out for a scalp. Okay, you can actually scalp at this position because we expect market to get to this level. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, as we are going to be buying this market. I've opened 3 positions, and now I'm giving it to the VIP. Let's buy the C300. All right, so you're going to risk appropriately. So the signal has been given to the VIP and also shared to the free, but the free comes once in a while. Make sure you hit me up, and we are going to grow this account. At least we're looking for a cash out of about $100, and we're going to be out. So we're growing this 1K to 175, okay, at least. So guys, make sure you join, click the description, and you're going to enjoy every bit of it. So I'm going to be following up on this trade, and I'll get back to you guys. So for the meantime, go back and subscribe. Let's take this break together. Alright, so we are still on the C300 that was given to the VIPs. So I told you guys we want to grade to about 175. So we are at 131, and you're still building. So remember, I said earlier, the 4 hours is bullish, but we have to wait for the market to get to this level. Okay, but it's likely to still pull down at this level, okay, but we expect it to get up to this level. Also, why we are really sure of the delete of the hold on, so why we are really sure of the uptrend is because we have seen of a buying entry, of a buying signal, is because we've seen an uptrend even starting from the weekly. It has been a very bullish candle. Sorry, all these, let me just delete them so you can see the chart. Oh, what did I delete? I think I deleted something else, but I just want you guys to see the chart. You've seen it from here. So we expect the market to come to this place, break it, and buy up to this level. So that's what we saw on the weekly. When we went on to the daily, we saw that we had an uptrend, this trend line already. It's giving us more confidence to go into the market to get. Now we go to the H4, 4 hours. This is going to be our TP. So now I'm going to give the TP out to the VIPs, but at this point they should be able to collect a lot. 3300. So I'm going to put it on my own on my own positions to see what's going to happen, to see how much we're going to make. So it's 9 o'clock. A new 4-hour candle has just begun. A new 4-hour candle has just begun. As I said earlier, that wow, immediately started, we had the first spike. That was the spike. So a new one has just begun. Now, what have we seen here? What I have seen here personally, remember I said we had this going on. Remember I said earlier that we had this going on. The uptrend, there was a repetitive pattern. If you listen to what I said earlier, there is a repetitive pattern that when market goes up, it comes down, tests this trend that we have found on the 30 and all of that. So it has given us, see the entry that we took, taking us here, but we still expect it to go up, even though it might come down. So we're going to place our SL at 3250, 3250. TP, I think we said it's going to be 3300. Okay. Okay. So that's out there for them. So if you want to join us, just check the description of this video. You're going to find the link. So check onto this video. You're going to find the link while we're running a loss. The spike came heavy. So we wait for it to get back to this place. So we said our SL is going to be somewhere here, 3250. I think that's what I told him. Yeah, 3250. So I'm going to place that 3250 on my position. So now what we're about to make is going to be $38 if this trade goes well, each position. And what I am risking is going to be $11 on this account. So we are going to be making ×3 of what we're supposed to lose if this goes our way. All right, so finally, looking at this, we'll be able to smash our TP as expected. So now let's go back to the chart. Wow, the spike just came, but we smashed our TP as expected, and we are now game for the remaining. So I told you guys we want to make $100 from it, and now we'll be able to raise the account to 175 as earlier expected. So make sure you join the Blue Boy team and don't miss out. So you see how this works. We had a very long spike. This particular spike, I was so scared. This particular one here, all the way from here down here, I was like, wow. Let me show you. I was so scared because I didn't expect it. So this was it. It came all the way down, and I was like, wow, why would this happen right now? So guys, don't be bothered. We are here to make money with you. So make sure you join the Blue Boy team and make sure you don't miss out. Click the description of this video. You find the link to my Telegram channel and the link to my WhatsApp in case you want to hit me up for anything. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.